Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing well. If you're new around here, hi, my name is Abby, and if you're not new, thank you for coming back to watch another video. So in today's video, I will show you my quick routine, my quick makeup routine, the one I've been enjoying most recently. So it basically doesn't have any foundation in it. It is basically concealer, powder, and a few other regular products I use in my makeup routine. So you can see I already have my brows on. I have a couple brow videos, so you can check them out on my channel. But my brows usually take anything from 3 minutes to 5 minutes, on a really bad day 10 minutes if I have to like redo them. But yeah, so these are my brows. They are fixed to last all day, so they do not come off at all. I like to preface this by saying, you know, you need to make sure that you have a good skincare routine to take care of the skin under the makeup. That's what helps your makeup look really good. So I have, you know, an extensive skincare routine. You can check out a couple of the videos I've already done. So yeah, so the primer I've already applied is the Essence Mattifying Pore Primer. I like to start my makeup application with a primer because I do have oily skin, and the one I've been really liking most recently is the Essence Prime Studio Mattifying Pore Minimizing Primer with Natural Black Clay, and it's really good. It's actually quite, it's grey when you apply it, but it applies clear. Next, I like to go in with two concealers. The first one is the XX Revolution concealer in the shade 13.2, and then I like to highlight with the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Toffee. And I only like to apply the concealer where I really need it, and then I blend it out. So as you can see, the majority of my face is covered because the concealer does spread a little. So I'll just take it down to the sides of my jaws, and that is my base done. Then I'll just highlight a little. And the reason I highlight anyway is because I've got these, you know, like deep set eyes, and I also have some darkness. So it's good to go over the, you know, the little bit of darkness with a skin tone concealer. Then I can highlight, because this concealer is full coverage, so I do like it for that. Sometimes I'll do the center of my forehead as well. And bring it down a little, but there's barely any product. Now just make sure I spread it out. Another powder I've been really liking is the PS Blurred Out Skin Conditioning Blurring Powder. It's absolutely amazing. It leaves my skin feeling so smooth like all day, and it helps to keep it matte as well. It contains niacinamide and willow bark extract, and it says it contains some super seed extracts as well, which help to refine skin's texture. So I just like it for its skin conditioning properties, but it's also a super fine blurring powder, and it's invisible, so it looks white, but it, you know, it's more or less invisible if you don't apply too much anyway. So I just tap a little, and I use that to set all over my face. And it really does blur. Sometimes I also like to highlight just a little bit more with my Revolution banana powder. This is the I Heart Revolution banana powder, and it looks like this. It's a bit lighter on camera than it should be, but next I like to brush everything away and blend everything together with my Revolution Super Matte powder in the shade Toffee, and this is what it looks like. It's so affordable, it's like £3, but it's so good. This powder by itself is already a nice mattifying and blurring powder, but with the PS blurring powder it's just even better. And already that is like my whole face like done, but I'm just going to do a little bit extra. So I'm just going to contour just a little around the perimeter. And I'm using this Revolution Vignette. This is the Revolution XS bronzer, and the shade I'm using is the shade is called Vignette. I'll just take a little. So next I'm going to go in with the Revolution XS blusher in the shade Jaded. I absolutely love the XX packaging, it's so good. I'll just apply a little bit of blush, very, very gently. So next I like to go on with some highlighter as per usual. This is the Sleek Highlighting Palette in the shade Copper, in the name, it's called Copper Plate. So this is what it looks like. And it has some amazing shades, it's a quad. So I just take these two bottom shades. Then I'll take this shade for the inner corner. Lastly, I like to go in with my Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. It's just one that I grabbed today. I've been really liking it recently, but I will use any of the mascaras I've used on this channel. Lastly, I like to set my face with the XS Revolution Quick Fix Setting Spray. And then lastly, and then I like to finish off with a gloss of some sort. So this is the Kiko 3D Hydra gloss. I've forgotten, I don't know what the name is, but I'll find it and link it below. And as you can see, my face is like properly blurred out. I absolutely love this. This is like the quickest thing I can put on my face without needing eyeshadow or eyeliner. So yeah, and my face lasts like all day. It takes a long time for it to get oily. But yeah, and that's without foundation. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already for more makeup and skincare videos, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I next upload. So until next time, stay blessed, have a great morning, afternoon, evening or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.